Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm going to make Pisang Kipas for my breakfast. Pisang Kipas is just like Pisang Goreng, however you need to form your banana into a fan. As we all know, Pisang Goreng is a snack made of banana or plantain covered in butter or not, being deep fried in hot cooking oil, and is popular in Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Brunei. Pisang Goreng is most often associated with Indonesia, and indeed the country has the largest variety of Pisang Goreng recipes. So in my previous videos, I made recipe that involves banana like Pisang Bolen, Pisang Goreng, Pisang Moleng. Okay, without much further ado, let's start the cooking. Okay guys, so these are now my ingredients for my Pisang Kipas. So this is 150 grams of flour, then I have 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, this is about 50 grams of tapioca starch, then I have here water, then of course the oil, then 1 egg, then the main ingredient is the banana. Okay guys, so first I need to add the flour, then the tapioca starch, we have the sugar, then the salt. So basically these are just the dry ingredients, then we will try to mix. Then we will add 1 egg. So at this point we will slowly adding the water. So make sure we could attain the proper consistency of our butter. Mix. This is not yet the consistency, so we need to add more water. So I think we need to add more. Add a little bit of butter. Okay, this is good now. So we will just try to incorporate fully the mixture in this bowl. Okay, we need to set aside. Okay guys, so at this point we will now prepare our banana. So I have here saba. This should be the ideal type of banana that we are going to use in our Pisang Kipas. Okay, we need to peel. So as you can see, this is not a fully ripe bananas, but this is the ideal banana to be used for our Pisang Kipas. Okay guys, so it is called Pisang Kipas because the banana is shaped like a fan. So to that part. Then we have the second. Then the third. The fourth. I think that is okay now. So we need to spread like a fan. So that's it. So this is now our kipas and set aside. Do this for the other bananas. So this shape is like a fan. Look at that. Okay, we will put some oil. So while waiting this to be heated, so we need to put the banana here in our butter. Okay, so this is now my Pisang Kipas. As you can see, it is in the form of fun. Then it looks crispy, it's golden brown. It is not that sweet, and I like the sweetness of the banana.